Here we go. The 57th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade conducted operations against Russian forces in VOVCHANSK, reportedly resulting in the elimination of more than 100 Russian personnel, wounding more than 25, and destroying 16 MTLB armored vehicles along with one BMP-2 armored vehicle. A Russian T-90M with triple roof. It didn't help. According to the Army TV channel, the Russians lost 1,250 soldiers and 5 tanks over the past 24 hours. An infantryman of the 12th Brigade of the Azov National Guard destroys enemy equipment at close range. At night, the Russians began an assault on the positions of the defense forces in the New York area, but faced steadfast resistance from the Azovs. The 30th Mechanized Brigade repelled a Russian motorized assault on the E40 highway, where the occupiers deployed 10 to 14 motorcycles. 8 motorcycles, along with their drivers, were neutralized. My head would have been hanging right here. A man from Russian St. Petersburg shared his emotions after a Chinese car almost killed him. A smart assistant reportedly saw an obstacle on the road and flew into scaffolding. The driver survived by a miracle.
Now, a few words about the steering aid system, Hangchi. That's how I freaking drove. All the trouble came from that side. Unfortunately, the car. I don't understand. What the heck happened? Did they mistreat or something? Did they shuffle or what? And if you're straight, turn into that stop. Not the stop, but into that construction zone. It's a miracle my head wasn't hurt. It's good there were no passengers in the back. Look how the back seat crumpled. 2 hits. One got stuck in the passenger seat. The other went right through the cabin. Hit straight on the back window. There it is. My head could have been hanging here. Damn. The main thing is not a single dent on the car.
This is what Toretsk looks like now. They are wiping out everything in their path using all the means at their disposal. Vuhledar, Pokrovsk, Mirnohrad, Kurakove, Chasiv Yar, and many other frontline towns and villages are currently experiencing the same fate. In Toretsk itself, fighting continues, with very close fire contact between the defense forces and the occupiers, noted the Deep State Monitoring Project. Instead of 1,000 words, the boy's poster says, "Daddy, hear me. I'll be your voice. I believe, waiting." 57th Brigade, 3rd year of captivity. Footage showing the moment that a drone launched by Iranian-backed forces in Iraq tonight against the city of Eilat in southern Israel was intercepted by the Israeli Navy.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.